Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy and sell tokens on DEX Screener easily. Let's get started. First, go to DEX Screener and connect your crypto wallet by clicking on Connect Wallet button right here. Or you may also sign in using your Google account or your Apple account. Just click on this Connect Wallet if you want to sign in once again. And then to buy tokens, um but first we will have to make sure that you have enough funds for a transaction. And then to buy tokens, search for the token you want using the search bar right here. Or you may also just click on any token right here that you like, and then click on the token that you want. Once you have clicked on it, for example, I clicked on this doodles token right here. What you're gonna do is to scroll down in this right side panel, and then when you see this one, this is the area where you are going to trade your tokens. Just enter the amount of dude that you are going to swap with USD or Solana, and then enter the amount and confirm the transaction in your wallet. To sell tokens, go to the same trading section, enter the amount you want to sell, and confirm the swap. And that's how you buy and sell tokens on DEX Screener.